Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see a very interesting topic called this pointer. So we have seen your C++ compiler provides a facility by which we can create members and even we can access, we can call the member functions. So how this is happening actually? So this is done using a special pointer called this pointer. Let me repeat. In C++, we have a facility to create member functions, not only data member, even we can create member functions. Not only we can create it, we can access, we can call them. So this is done by making use of a unique pointer called this pointer. And you should remember this pointer is a constant pointer. It's not a pointer like other pointer. And second thing about this is this pointer always points at an object with respect to which the function was called. Let me make it clear. Think that you have a class called A. So let me write it here. I'll just write class A. I'm not writing completely. So inside this, you have a function called add. So we have only I'll just write in brief. So this is class. Now I'll take my main function. So I'll open. So where I'll create with a class, I'll create class variable. Let me create it as B and C. Now what happened is I can use this B to call this function. At the same time, I can use this C to call this function. Now what this pointer is going to do is this pointer always points at the object. So if you look at this case, we have two objects. One is B, other one is C. Both are class variables and we call it as objects. So which object as call this member? So this pointer will be a pointer to this. Okay. So two things. One is it's a static pointer, and second thing is which will always point at the object with respect to which the function was called, right? So this is done by making different changes in the structure, which is going to make changes in your function call, function definition, and function prototype. So this point is going to make so many changes. So let us see this one by one. First thing is which is going to convert your structure, sorry, your class into a structure. Let me repeat. The first changes this pointer is going to do is, or what happens internally is, every class will be converts into a structure with only data members. We know that the class contains data member as well as member functions. You can see here we have a class called distance. So where I can find I feet and f inches are the data members and rest are member functions. So what this is going to, this will be converted into a structure. So you can see that the structure with only data members. This part got eliminated. So this is the first thing this is going to do it. Second change is, so you can see here every function declaration will be converted into a different format. For example, if you look at the screen where you can find a function declaration, we call it as a function prototype. So we have a set feet in which takes a single parameter. So this will be converted into a different format where this pointer is going to be the leading formal argument. Look at this. I'm talking about this. What is this part? This is the leading formal argument for the function set fit. Before it was not there. Every function prototype will be converted into this format. The first argument, leading in a sense, the first argument is going to be the this pointer. So this is what the pointer called, this pointer. See, before it was something like get feed. After this will get converted into this format. Your set inches initially it will be like this, which will get converted into this format. So it puts the declaration of this pointer as the leading formal argument, which means which is going to be the first argument in the function prototype. Everything, all prototypes will be redefined with this pointer as the first argument. Now what happens with the function definition? So you can see function definition also gets changed with pointer to member access operator. So you can see here. So this is what before it was scope resolution operator was there, and if you look at this, there is no scope resolution operator. Here also, this pointer is going to be the leading formal argument. Look at this. This pointer is going to be the leading formal argument, and your member data is will converted into this format. We are going to use pointer to member access operator. So please remember, this operator is known as pointer to member access operator. So your function definition will get converted in this format. Every this before it will be like this. Once you convert, this will get converted into this format where this pointer is going to be the leading formal argument, right? So here also we have another one where we have get hinges. So get hinges function name remain as it is. Scope resolution operator converts, or scope resolution operator insert a constant operator of the correct type. So please remember this, to which class this get hinges belongs. So it should be of correct type. So that is the job of your scope resolution operator. The scope resolution operator does it. So the last is what happens with the function call. We have seen what happens with class. Class gets converted into a structure. What happens with your function prototype? So where this pointer is going to be the leading formal argument. What happens with the function definition? There also we are going to have this pointer as the formal leading argument. Now let us see what happens with your function call. So this is a normal the way we call the your function set feet. So this will get converted into this format. Look at this. Yes, second function call, this will get converted into this format. So what happened to this d1? D1 is your object. So object address will be put it over here, because the function definition we have made changes. There is a pointer. So when there is a pointer in the function definition, obviously we have to pass the address. So this will get changed like this. Every function. So before it will be like this, after it will be like this. Before it was d1 dot get hinges, after which is going to be get hinges with where you are going to pass the address. So what is advantage? You'll be thinking, what is advantage for this? So advantage is very important. By doing this, your system makes sure that no exe file is created from the source code in which private data members of an object is accessed by non-member functions. Let me make it clear. Private data members can be accessed only with member functions. Nobody else can do it.